Based on research, robotics machine learning will boom for the next 10 years. In fact, this is the best job in 2019 according to the job site Indeed. Hi, my name is Teacher Seth, and today I will walk you through in creating your very first machine project. So let's get started.
In this project, we will create a motion detection circuits which allows your robot to detect the presence of the object. First step, simulation programs. In your web browser, go ahead and type in tinkercad.com. In this website, you can practice robotic simulation without actual robotics materials. After logging in, click Circuits tab. Then click Create New Design. Second step, components. First, click and drag Arduino Uno R3. This will become our microcontroller or the brain of our system. Secondly, click and drag Breadboard Small. This will become our circuit board. Next, drag PIR sensor or your motion sensors and place it in your breadboard. Just name it motion sensor. Drag LED lights and place it horizontally in your breadboard. Then get a resistor and connect its pin from LED lights terminal to the negative line. Place 200 ohms value for your resistor. Third step, wirings. We will place a power supply line to our breadboard. Connect 5 volts from Arduino to positive line in the breadboard. Change the wire color to red. Then connect also the ground to negative line and change it to black. Connect the second pin of your motion sensor to the positive line and change it to red. Then connect also the third pin to the negative line and change it to black. Connect the digital pin 2 of the Arduino to the first pin of the sensor and change it to yellow. And the digital pin 13 to the other end of the pin of the LED light and change it to yellow. Fourth step, the coding part. In the code editor, click the variables. Then create variables and type in sensor state. And drag sensor state block. In the input block, drag read digital pin to the sensor state block. Since your sensor is connected to pin 2, we will set also the pin to 2. Click control block and drag if else command. Then go to math block and drag the second block inside the if else block. Inside variables, drag the sensor state inside the math block and choose equal sign. From the same sections, drag the high block and drag it inside the math block. In the output block, set built-in LED to high and drag inside to if command. Next, drag print serial monitor and place it below built-in LED block and replace hello world statement to sensor activated. Lastly, drag built-in LED block inside to else statement and replace high to low, which signal your LED light to turn off. There you have it! You're done with the coding part. Fifth step, simulation. Click Start Simulation to check if your program runs accordingly. LED lights de-energize after a few seconds. Congratulations! You're done with your first project!
There are so much opportunities lies ahead in studying this field. Start your journey in studying robotics here at WorthyAe.